Well, after spending 8 months in captivity of Somali pirates, Indian sailor Sandeep Dangwal recounts his tales of horror, says 55 Indian sailors are still under the pirates' custody. The sailors are abused, beaten and tortured like animals. Questions, of course, are now being raised. Has the Indian government forgotten their own men?
ये अगर धरती में अगर कहीं नर्क है तो वो सोमालिया है। सुबह उठते थे हम लोग ये सोचते थे कि हम लोग शाम तक कैसे सरवाइव रहेंगे, कैसे हम लोग 22 के 22 लोग बचे रहेंगे। भगवान की दुआएं और लोगों की जो प्रार्थनाएं थी उनकी वजह से हम लोग बचे।
Indian sailor Sandeep Dangwal recounting the horror and torture of the 8 months he spent in captivity of the Somali pirates.
They tied my hands and legs both together with a nylon ropes and start beating with punches, with kicks, and spit on me so many times. Start abusing words, start abuse my country also, start abuse my religion also, and even now this is the most horrible thing. This is a part of that Somalian tortures. They tied my even genitals also for half an hour.
Sandeep was among the 19 Indians taken hostage in May 2010 when Somali pirates hijacked chemical tanker Merida Marguerite off the coast of Oman.
They put our captain and chief engineer both in a refrigeration room, and that refrigeration room's temperature is near about -17 degree. And they kept that chief engineer and captain near about half an hour, 1 hour also. And that is a more strange thing. They put some ice cube inside their underwears. That is a more horrible thing.
For 8 months, Sandeep and his fellow sailors endured severe mental and physical torture. His tormentors, he believes, were nothing but terrorists.
पहले उनके अंदर कोई दया नहीं है, कुछ ऐसी मर्सी नहीं है किसी के लिए, कोई उनके अंदर ह्यूमैनिज्म नहीं है. They even not follow any type of humanity and all. They are just terrorists. And I always in any platform and all, I always appeal to the international community, treat them like as a terrorist.
Sandeep's account, a wake-up call for the government to the plight of the Indian sailors still held hostage.
There is no relative of any minister is caught in that ship or the other ships. So there is no government. There is no one to deal with.
So far, all they've got are false assurances.
We are trying to hasten the process of releasing our people who are abducted.
We are making all efforts to ensure the safety of the Indian crew and also to expedite the release.
We are doing all that we can.
Yet these families have reason to worry.
आज भी 900 seafarer, 900 seafarers are there. 900 seafarer वहाँ पे हैं, 55 Indians वहाँ पे हैं.
Back from hell, Sandeep only wants India to get tough with Somali pirates. With Ashish in Mumbai, Virendra Rao, Times Now.